I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we'll take a few questions relating to rounding numbers. You have the basic concept. However, we'll take up questions here which will involve decimal numbers. And some students find it difficult to work out rounding of such numbers. Here are 5 questions for you to check. Round 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the nearest 100. Round 67508.67 to nearest 1000, and so on. You can pause the video, answer this question, and then look into my suggestions.
After attending university. The winner of this year's Certificate of Achievement Schulich Leader Award is anil.anilkhandelwal.
Great. Our student Akshat gets highest marks and the most prestigious Schulich Leader Award. You can be there, join our summer classes, and get ready for bright future. Well, our main objective of sharing these questions is to help curious students to understand and visualize concepts that can be applied in different contexts, provide sound foundation, and prepare for bright future. We also support teachers to share their knowledge and skills effectively, meet students' requirements, and also prepare for certification to become qualified educators. So basically, students and learners can understand what are the expectations, apply their learnings, develop problem-solving skills, and communicate effectively. On the other hand, teachers and guides can engage students in learning, enhance problem-solving skills, provide alternate strategies, and become qualified educators. So, keeping that in mind, we have this playlist for you. Let us now look into the questions and their solutions. The very first one here is to round 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the nearest 100. How do we do that? Well, that means we are expecting answer which ends like 400, 500, something like this. So the number here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When we want to round it to the nearest 100, that means this number 4 is in the place value of 100, right? As you can see, ones, tens, and hundreds. So that is the position, the third from the decimal to the left. So we want to round this to the nearest 100. To round it, we are going to check the number on the right. If it is 5 or more, round higher. So if this number is 5 or more, then you round higher. So higher of 400 is 500, correct? So that will be the result. So we get 1, 2, 3, 500 as our answer, correct? So that is the answer for question number 1. Is that clear to you? So once again, let's apply this strategy to question number 2. In this case, round 67508.67 to the nearest 1000. Now look at the number which has a place value of 1000. The number here is 7. And what is next to 7? Well, next to 7 is 5 or more, 5. So that means this number will be rounded to higher. Instead of 67,000, it becomes 68,000, correct? So in this case, we get 68,000 as the number rounded to nearest 1000. Is that clear to you? Well, let's now look into question number 3. Round 728.045 to the nearest tenth. Place value tenth is for the number 0. If you look at the number next to 0, it is 4. 4 is less than 5, so we'll leave it as such, right? So this number will be 728.0. You see that? So we'll end the number to the nearest tenth. Do not write 0, 0, right? Write just 0 in this particular case. Is that clear to you? Perfect. Now, I'd like you to answer 4th and 5th. In case you want to learn from me, you can always send an email on the address given. We are also conducting some classes. You can contact us by filling a form at the website. Now let's look into the next question, question number 4, which says round 8301.896 to the nearest hundredths. So THS means after decimal on the right side. Hundredths means the position which is being occupied by number 9. 9 is in hundredths place. Number next to 9 is 6. So we are going to increase 9 by 1. Increasing 9 by 1 really means what? Adding 10, right? So what will the number be? So it will be 830. Now, if I increase 9 to 10, 1 will be carried forward, correct? So it will be, in this case, it will be 8301. 8 becomes 9. Do you see that? 90 is the right answer. How did I get it? Look at it once again. I have the number 8301.89 and this number is 6. Since it is higher, I am going to add 1 to 9 and so it becomes 9 plus 1, 10, carry forward and then we get 9 and I have 1038. Do you see this? So that is what the answer should be, right? So this is very important. I hope it is absolutely clear. I will now leave the last one for you, which is round this number to nearest tenths. 10th position is 9 here. And the number next to 9 is 7, so we have to add 0.1. Add 0.1 and then write down the answer. So I hope you get the answer. Well, I have some more questions for you to practice. Now I'd like you to answer all these questions. Let me give you solution of the last question also. So when I increase this 9, 0.9 by 1, I get 0 here and 1 carried forward. So I should get 729.0 as my answer. Is that clear to you? Do you see how rounding decimals is a bit tricky? Keep this in mind and then answer these 5 questions. This is extra practice and it could help you for test. So take it as a test. Round the numbers to the given description. I hope that will really help you. Well, that brings us to the end of this particular video. In case you want to learn from me, you can always send an email on the address given. Also, check our website for the latest courses being offered. Thank you for your time and all the best. We regularly register students for our courses. This summer, we have a very special program. You can send an email on the address highlighted and join the program of your interest. That will help you to perform much better in the coming semester. Register by sending the email as the seats are limited. Join Anil Kumar classes and get ready for a bright future. Thank you.